Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right glasses for PC work, blue light filtering or ANSI Z87, 1 rated safety frames. Fit matters, so try them on and adjust nose pads until the lenses sit centered and temple arms rest comfortably without pressure. Once fit is confirmed, inspect for scratches or loose screws and tighten if needed. Before you use them, clean both sides with a microfiber cloth and alcohol-free solution to prevent smudges that could strain your eyes during focused screen time. Next, arrange your workspace to work with the eyewear. Move the monitor so the top is slightly below eye level and the screen sits about an arm's length away. This reduces upward glare and neck strain. Once positioned, make sure your screen brightness and contrast align with room lighting to avoid flicker and excess pupil constriction. Then enable night shift or reduce the color temperature in the evening to lower blue light exposure. Also, take 1-minute breaks every 20 minutes to keep focus and reduce eye fatigue. Finally, adopt consistent habits when working. Wear your protective eyewear for any session longer than 20 minutes and keep them on while performing focused tasks. Make cleaning and inspection part of your routine and replace lenses or frames the moment distortion or discomfort appears. If you still get headaches or blurriness after adjustments, try a different lens strength or anti-reflective coating, and if problems continue, consult an optometrist to rule out prescription needs. One quick troubleshooting tip: swap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.